In front of me is TCL 205, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, then make sure that you're in contacts and pick the contact that you would like to block. Click on more icon then, and select block numbers. Confirm it by tapping on block, and that's it. As you can see, here you've got the sign of blockade. You can release the blockade by tapping on more and then clicking on unblock number. Oh, sorry, not this icon, but one upper, which is unblock numbers. Then confirm it, and it is no longer blocked. Obviously, you can also enter some general blocking rules. To do it, just tap on more and click on settings, then pick block numbers right here, and you can either block all unknown colors by using the stop switcher, or you can add some phone number manually here, just like this. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.